You don't need to wait for the right season. Now you can enjoy fresh chili peppers all year round. Hi, it's Tracy. Has anyone here ever bought a whole bunch of chili peppers, only to have them wilt, mold, and go bad after just a few days because you weren't sure how to store them properly? Then you end up tossing them and thinking, well, I guess chili peppers only last a few days before they spoil or dry up, and you're afraid to buy too many at once. But the truth is, there are actually 3 incredibly simple ways to preserve chili peppers for the long term. No chemicals needed, and they stay fresh and flavorful all year. Today, I stopped by the market and saw some beautiful fresh chili peppers, so I grabbed a bunch to show you exactly how to store them properly. Just watch all 3 methods, and you'll be able to keep your peppers fresh, vibrant red, and full of flavor. Whether you use them in a few weeks or even after a year, they'll still be just as good as when you brought them home. When I bring chili peppers home, the very first thing I do is get rid of any that are already spoiled. You need to sort through them carefully and set aside any that feel soft, have black spots, signs of bruising, or are starting to mold. Just a few peppers that aren't fresh can ruin the whole batch in just a matter of days. So don't hesitate. Keep only the ones that are still firm, fresh, and brightly colored. Chili peppers are considered a kind of flavor-boosting fruit that really brings a dish to life. I have a few friends who love eating chili peppers. Honestly, they can pair them with just about anything. One of them even told me that the reason their food tastes so good is because of the peppers. And it's true. Peppers have that strong, spicy aroma that makes dishes richer and more exciting. But since peppers are quite hot, you shouldn't eat too many at once, especially if you have any stomach issues. It's definitely something to be mindful of. After sorting them out, I rinse the peppers under clean running water to remove any dirt stuck to the skin. One important note when washing peppers is not to remove the stems beforehand. A lot of people think it's more convenient to pull the stems off early, but actually, the stem acts like a little protective cap. If you pull it off before washing, water can seep inside, making the pepper damp and more likely to rot quickly. So it's best to leave the stem on while washing. Once the peppers are completely dry, you can remove the stems later. It's not too late. Next, I soak the peppers in a diluted saltwater solution. You can add a little baking soda or white vinegar too. This helps kill bacteria and remove any leftover pesticides. Soaking them for about 10 to 15 minutes is just right. Finally, rinse the peppers twice with clean water and let them drain completely before moving on to the storage step. If you follow these prep steps properly, the peppers will stay fresh much longer without going bad partway through. After I've prepped and washed the peppers, I move on to the first method. First, I gently pat each pepper dry using a paper towel, or sometimes I just let them air dry in a colander until they're completely dry. It's important not to leave them damp or wet. Otherwise, they'll spoil or rot quickly when stored for a long time. Where are you from and how are you feeling today? Let's explore some helpful tips to make life a little easier. Oh, and here's a quick heads up. Hit that follow button now so you don't miss out. Videos like this can easily get lost in your feed, and who knows if you'll come across this channel again. Once the peppers are completely dry, I remove the stems. Keeping the stems on during washing helps prevent water from seeping inside. But before storing them, I take off the stems to reduce the risk of spoilage starting from that part later on. I prepare an airtight container or a zip-top bag, then line the bottom with a thin layer of paper towel. This paper towel helps absorb any leftover moisture and keeps the inside of the container dry. Next, I arrange the prepped peppers into the container. I sometimes add another thin layer of paper towel on top, just to be extra careful, then seal the lid tightly. Finally, I place the container into the freezer. Thanks to the deep cold and well-controlled humidity, the peppers retain their bright color, natural aroma, and spicy flavor. They won't get mushy or turn black. With this method, I can keep peppers for up to 1 year. It's perfect for anyone who wants to stock up and enjoy good quality peppers all year round, even when they're out of season. If you don't want to use zip bags or plastic containers, there's another simple way to store whole peppers. Just place them in a jar and keep it in the freezer. This method is extremely neat, clean, and doesn't take up much space in the freezer. After I've prepped the peppers, removing any spoiled ones, soaking them in salt water and letting them dry completely, I go ahead and remove the stems, just like in method 1. This step is important to prevent the tops of the peppers from rotting. Next, I prepare a glass jar or a plastic jar with a tight-fitting lid. I place the dried peppers neatly into the jar, making sure it's been washed clean and completely dried. The jar must not be wet, as any leftover moisture can easily lead to mold growth. Then I screw the lid on tightly and store the jar in the freezer. The advantage of this method is that it keeps the peppers from getting crushed, and because they don't come into direct contact with ice, their color and flavor are preserved even better. Whenever I need some, I just take out a few, rinse them under cold water, and use them right away. It's so convenient and clean. With this method, I always have fresh, flavorful peppers available all year round. Besides the methods above, if you cook often and need chili peppers every day, for making dipping sauces, marinating, or stir-frying spicy dishes, then this is the best storage method: grinding the peppers before storing. First, I choose fresh, clean peppers that aren't bruised or showing any signs of spoilage. After washing them thoroughly, I let them dry completely and then remove the stems, just like in the previous method. Next, I put the peppers in a food processor and grind them finely. Or if I don't have a machine, I just chop them very finely by hand. To make it easy to use later, I divide the ground chili into small portions, just enough for one use. I often reuse small sauce bags or an ice cube tray, putting one portion into each compartment. This trick not only keeps the chili fresh for a long time, but also saves me a lot of prep time every day. After dividing the chili into portions, I place all the little bags, or the ice cube tray, into an airtight container and store it in the freezer. When I need to use it, I just take out a small portion. There's no need to thaw it. You can simply add it straight into your pot, pan, or even a bowl of fish sauce. This method preserves the chili's spicy flavor and natural aroma for up to about 3 months. It's perfect for anyone with a busy lifestyle who cooks every day, or for preparing ahead of time for the holidays or big family gatherings. With just a few minutes of prep at the start, I have a convenient chili stash ready to go. Anytime I need it, no washing, no chopping, super quick and clean. And just like that, you now have 3 simple ways to keep chili peppers fresh and flavorful. All that's left is to let them freeze and see how well they turn out. And here's the result after I kept the chili peppers in the freezer for over a week. When I opened the jar, I could see right away. The peppers still had their bright, vibrant red color, just like when I first brought them home. There were no signs of dark spots, softness, or sogginess at all. I gently pressed each pepper with my fingers, and they still felt firm and crisp, not shriveled or mushy like when they're stored the wrong way. This shows that my method really helped the peppers keep their original texture, both visually appealing and safe to use in any dish. Not only that, I've even tried storing the chilies in the freezer for 2 full months, and when I took them out to use, they were still perfectly fine. No spoilage, no strange smell, just the same natural spicy aroma. Even after all that time, every time I opened the container, it felt just like I had bought them fresh from the morning market. So satisfying to see. Thanks to proper prep, thorough drying, and careful packing, the chilies didn't lose moisture or develop thick ice crystals. That made them super easy to use when I needed them. Whether you cook with whole peppers or ground ones, the bold, spicy flavor stays intact, never bland or dull. With these little tricks, you can confidently stock up on chilies all year long. No worries about whether they're in season or not. It's such a convenient solution for busy home cooks or anyone living far from the market who still wants flavorful, well-seasoned meals. I hope these 3 little tips today will help you save time, avoid wasting food, and always have fresh chilies ready in your kitchen to cook whenever you like. Just a few simple steps, but they keep that bold, spicy flavor all year long. So convenient, right? If you found this video helpful, don't hesitate to hit like, subscribe to Tracy Tips channel, and share it with your loved ones and friends too. Oh, by the way, where are you watching this video from? Leave me a comment below so I can get to know you. Every message from you is my biggest motivation to keep sharing even more useful tips. See you again in the next life hack videos, and I wish you lots of joy in your warm, loving kitchen.